In this video, we will learn how image augmentation supercharges clothing classifier accuracy, improving model performance. Small datasets often cause overfitting, where your classifier fails to accurately predict new clothing images. Image augmentation creates diverse training examples from existing data, boosting model robustness and generalization. Better classification improves product categorization and search for shoppers, greatly enhancing their experience. Rotate, zoom, flip, and shift images to introduce helpful variants into your clothing dataset. Keras ImageDataGenerator simplifies applying augmentations during training, which streamlines your machine learning workflow. First, import TensorFlow and Keras, then load your clothing image dataset using Load Dataset. Next, create an image data generator object, setting rotations, zooms, and flips to your specifications. Use the flow method to transform your training data in batches using the image data generator. Retrain your CNN using the augmented data generated by the flow method for improved performance. Notice the significant boost in classification accuracy after retraining with the augmented dataset. Augmentation provides diverse training data, effectively reducing overfitting and improving the model's generalization. Image augmentation enhances clothing classification by expanding your dataset and reducing overfitting problems. This leads to better product categorization, improved search, and a more satisfying shopping experience online. You now understand how image augmentation enhances model performance, increasing accuracy and reducing overfitting.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.